Hello, welcome to the emmaANDamy show. We're here in the Beehive. We've just come home from college, which was a very interesting day. Very fat movement. Yes, it was an experience. Look at catching his eye, and I had to look at his. It wasn't fun. Anyway.
And a potato.
Yeah. Our friend Flo is obviously here with us.
So you did.
There he is. Here's one we made earlier. Yes. Well, I did want to show you around the table. Grandad's just scampered. This is where he was sat. But I can still show you my uncle and my grandma. Let's pull the candle out. We've ordered starters. Some fried chicken dippers. For main course we've ordered chicken Alfredo pasta for me and Whitby breaded scampi for Emma. And for Pod. This is a picture of what we're having. We're having it to share, but Emma has to eat all the cream and the profiteroles. Well, hopefully before the time runs out, which is very quick, Grandad will be back, but I don't think so. Playing a winning game. Hello to Gary who works here. Well, we have to go now, bye!